How to make a form mobile responsive using Bitforms in WordPress. Let's begin. To create your first form, simply click on the Create Your First Form button. Choose what type of template you create here. I choose a blank template. Now select what you want on your form. You can change the label name and placeholder text. Here is your tablet version. Just fix the field label. And here is your mobile version, and here just fix the field label. You can change the name of the button. Publish and then copy the shortcode. Go to the Pages dashboard and add a page. Enter your page name. Paste the shortcode here. Publish it. Now let's go to the mobile version. Let's submit a form. You don't need make your form responsive manually. Bitform will do it for you. It's easy to make contact form using drag and drop features of Bitform. Thanks for watching.